Put the camera upon me. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, good morning, YouTube. I come with another banger again. We talk about credible information, credible news source. Yo, me dey on the block, me dey on the chat. You don't know, some boy don't know the app now, the shot. Yes, man, I say. So here we go on now, this morning. As I turn on the video, give me the 1,000 likes, or 2,000, or 3,000, or 4,000, or 5,000. Yes, man, I say. Yeah. So big up all of my fans them, all over the world. You see me I say, whole of United States, Canada, America. You see me I think, Jamaica and thing up. You get what I say? So big up to all of the people them, subscribe them, and all who just come for subscribe, just subscribe right away and press the notification bell so that you can get an update on the bang of them. Cause you don't know, me always a promising us a lot of things. Me say me I go do some prank as well. Me I wait for something to get me thing together. You see me I say, yeah, me have a little memory problem because me fi do some cleaning up on my phone and thing, cause me I use a phone at the moment. But just bear with me if a video cut off, I just saw it go. You see me I say, but me I try make me thing brief. You get what me I say? So yeah. So alright, what we want to talk about now? We want to talk about credible information. Alright. AZ, when I don't know me an artist. You see me I say, this is not a news channel. You get what I deal with? So at the end of the day, I do America and I do Jamaican thing. So I want to put up a news channel because I can't go get credible information because I'm not up on the ground. You see me I say? So what I want to talk about now, big up to Lloyd Williams, True Jamaica Buzz. The channel there, True Jamaica Buzz. You see me I say? And him have another channel called Jamaica Dancehall Source. You see me I say? Go over there, brother, they go subscribe. That the man they have the credible information. If you look news, dancehall review, anything, that the channel there. Them the channel where I'm just telling you have the credible information. Go on over there, go subscribe. You see me I say? Alright. Teach them. Teach them thing credible. Teach them the on the ground. You see me I say? Teach them thing credible. Go over there, go subscribe as well. Alright. The nether man who credible, because 3 names I call right now. The nether man who credible, a rawpa crawpa. Rawpa crawpa they are England, but rawpa crawpa thing now him get live video. So when him react to a video, you can't see no line of that. You see me I say, because people think good on in a comment or good on anywhere, and people grab out them phone. You don't know information age in a people grab out them phone and a video, and then go so boom, send it to rawpa crawpa. You see me I say? So credible. Me say 3 channel me a big up, but big up to dancehall skiller as well. You see me I say, cause him do the same thing like what rawpa crawpa do, so credible thing. You see me I say, alright, here we go on with me now. As what I say, I can't do no news channel. I would love to do a news channel. You see me I say, but I can't do that because I any idea. They are foreign. You see me I say, I not dip on the ground. You see me I deal with, as well as I can get people to give me things on the ground, but I not have enough support as a Jamaica. You see me I say, so I have to big up the man them, give the man them props. True Jamaica Buzz, the man they dip on the ground. You see me I say, teach them man they dip on the ground. You see me I say, rawpa crawpa thing up said way, he might get it straight from people from the ground all over the world, because rawpa crawpa big right now, you know. Yo, me not big up nobody else. You see me I say, because enough of them vlogger in I thing, them bad mind like a MF. You get what I say? Them bad man, because here we go on now. The man them, I put up something, and the man them I go up on people channel, because I watch some channel where they, and I realize say, if them put up a video in a clear, if them put up, just like how more while me then and me chuck and now me get one video. Me they watch a video from somebody channel and me just turn on it and hold it in the background make it play. I be a them thing that they do. You see me I say, them not on a real thing. So you see when the story them boss, them can't get a credible thing. You see me I say, sometimes them do some video and then them say, yo, you know, say, me make an error because me never get the right thing. I'm sorry about that and do back on another video. You see me I say? And if you notice, when the news them come out, them last a come up with it. But them thing big already, you know. You see me I say them last a come up because them not dip on the ground. You see me I deal with. So you see man them are dip on the ground, you don't have to big them up and don't fight against them. Cause true Jamaica boys get no fight. You see me I say, and any news broke, true Jamaica boys dip on it right away, right on the clock. Cause them man get information from everybody down the ground. You understand what I say? So me sit down and me watch the thing what go on, you know, and me hear even say, yo, some vlogger come up with wrong information, them have credible thing, and me say, you know, say, I have to go big him up on a video. You see me I say, so big up, me lift off my cap to true Jamaica boys. A lot of people even do video and send it to him and say, yo, them respect him, keep up his work, and I swear to God, you see me I say, the man thing up. You see me I say, so yo, just keep up your work through Jamaica boys. You don't know, rotted, I may talk, I go live long youth. See it there, because I subscribe to him and him just upload a video. Him just upload a video, him just pop up like a while. Because I subscribe to him. So big up to true Jamaica boys. Keep up your thing, me G. You see me I say, I respect you because a lot of time them fight down your channel and you rise up back and you come up back. So big up yourself. You see me I say people them rate you. You see me I say me have to big you up. And big up rawpa crawpa said speed. You see me I say because rawpa crawpa get the thing real. You see me I deal with, yeah. You see me I say me have to say that. Dancer skill your thing go and teach them the thing up. You see me I say because when I'm ready, I watch teach them live. I can go up and teach them live and say teach, big up yourself and teach. As me go up on the live, teach big me up. You understand? You have some another one now where they fight against people when they see my channel pop up on their live. And me now go up on no man live, go make no bad comments or nothing, you know. Man, them block me off of them thing. You see me I say? Them block me. And me just love to go up on a man thing and just big them up. Some of them I say me a stroll, all kind of shit like that. Me now go up on a man thing or criticize them thing. Me uncle we just say, yo, real talk and big up yourself. You do good works. That's the only comments me do. You see me I say? Because you don't know you have to listen what I go on. You see me I say, round you. Another thing what I want to talk about again. And that's why I say them blood cleat people them that have credible news and credible information. The people them, they do some video and I say, a beer killing a go on in Jamaica, killing a go on everywhere. And I end the day, you're there foreign and they make you afraid. Them a tell us if you no good on there, you go dead and all kind of thing. And yesterday, me I talk to my sister. Me have a sister who live in a G city, in a garrison. You see me I say? And yesterday, me I talk to my sister, Bridging. And my sister I say, yo, I didn't make them tell her nothing. Easy, no make them tell her nothing. You see me I say, you have to in a problem with people for people slap your way. You see me I say? I say not tell her nothing, man. Come in yard anytime you want to come in yard. So I say I look on them and I say, John, I have to do a video here now. Because a lot of foreign afraid for go down there. You see me I say, you have to in a something with somebody. You understand? For they slap away you. You see me I say, so at the end of the day, true Jamaican boys have a real thing. Teach them have a real thing. You see me I say, rawpa crawpa have a real thing. You see me I say, when you stop listening to them fake blogger about the place. You understand? Because them a come with some whole heap of fake information and make people afraid to go out in yard. You see me I deal with? So yeah, me I say, big up to all our vlogger them where they keep it real. You see me I say, and big up to true Jamaica boys again. You see me I say, teach them your thing up again. Rawpa crawpa your thing up. You don't know. All of my people them subscribe, like, and share that video. You see me I say, make sure you share that video. You know up. You see me I say, and big up to Jamaican people, because you don't know them man they America, but them man they keep them thing on a happy thing. You see me I say, and them man they not talk no fake nothing. Them watch what go on and just put a man in a them place. So you don't know a man like Jamaican people have it up on the web. So big up Jamaican people said we don't know anything set. And you don't know how easy they keep it real. That's what I deal with. I'm out. Just share. Love in Jamaica.